Welcome to my channel, guys. Today we are making hair growth treatment. We have coconut oil. This coconut oil is about 250 ml. Then I have fenugreek. Fenugreek, very small quantity. Then I have rosemary, and again I have neem. That's neem leaves. You can dry the neem leaves, and if you have the means, you can grind the neem leaves into powder. That is if you have the means. If you don't have the means, you can use it directly. The only thing is that it will take you a longer time for the ingredients in it to be extracted. So I tried grinding, but it didn't work. So what I did was use it directly, as you can see in the video. So you have to pick the leaves, and then into a clean container. That is where you are going to soak everything together. But like I said, if you have the means to grind, you can dry the neem leaves, dry them and grind into powder. So what I tried doing was to blend, but I discovered that the power of my mini blender was low, so I couldn't blend. So I now decided to soak it directly, so that you can see that is also an option. If you blend it into powder, the duration will be shorter. You can extract everything within 1 week. But if you did not blend, it will take you from 3 weeks to like 1 month. But I will show you the difference, how you will know that yes, your mixture is ready for use. So what I did is I added my rosemary into the container and poured in my oil. This oil I'm using is the carrier oil, is coconut oil. You can decide to use paraffin oil because it's also an ingredient that can be used for hair treatment. You can use paraffin oil, you can use coconut oil, you can use any kind of essential oil to bring out the nutrients in your ingredients. So I attempted blending again, but the power was actually very low. So I decided not to blend, but to soak it and leave it for 3 weeks. Now you can leave yours for 3 weeks or more. Soak it directly this way. What we have inside the container there, we have the neem leaves, we have the fenugreek and rosemary. Now these 3 ingredients are very powerful ingredients, essential ingredients needed for hair growth. Now for those people that don't have the forehair, everywhere is pushed back, this treatment will help you to restore your hair very well and make it very full and thick, that the texture of your hair will be very, very thick and beautiful. So I soaked everything together in that container and allow it to stand. Exactly 3 weeks is when I filtered it. So now I brought it out and I'm ready to filter it to have our hair treatment. So I needed a clean bowl, just like the one you can see. This oil is where I poured out to mix the ingredients. I'm pointing to it for you to see that there is a clear difference between the oil that I used to carry out the ingredients and after the ingredients have been extracted. So what you need is a clean bowl like this, and then a sieve where you filter off everything and you get your hair treatment ready. This treatment will wow you because it will help your hair to grow. Even if your hair is not pulling but it's light, it can thicken the texture of your hair and make it also to grow very fast. So you get a clean container just like the one I'm showing you in this video, and then you run everything into it and you cover it. So you can be taking it every day, especially after relaxing your hair. After relaxing your hair, take it to the salon and let them open your hair, part the hair, and apply this treatment all around the hair. If you do it like that consistently, you are going to experience a great difference for a short period of time. Okay, if you don't want to use this kind of container, you can use a sprayer. Can you put it in a sprayer, so you can easily use the sprayer on your hair every time you want to apply the treatment. Oh wow, look at the treatment now, and look at the carrier oil that I used at the beginning. You can notice that there's great difference to show that the ingredients are really extracted into the oil. Thank you guys for coming. You can apply it to your hair after washing. You can apply it after even weaving your hair or braiding your hair. You can apply it all around the hair, and then you will experience great growth of your hair, and it will also thicken the texture of your hair. All right guys, thank you for watching. God bless you. Please, if this is your first time of seeing my video, like this video and make comment below. Thank you.